Some dude just happened to ride past on his motorbike while I was recording, and I went, can I record your motorbike for a song? Like, yeah, no worries. Now there's a motorbike in the song. It's about a guy who died in a motorcycle crash. Who was a doctor? Was. Anyway, Public Demolition, I Outlived the Doctor, coming out soon. I think the motorbike was even in A, but I didn't check. It just happened to come that way.
Please welcome